So we've recently installed LPRs, and that's just, we just call them LPRs. And basically, they are cameras that can recognize a license plate as a license plate, and then it parses that picture, and so it can take a picture, actually it takes video every time a license plate passes through an intersection. And it parses that information into digits, and it basically becomes a number that computers can work with. And so then, so every plate that comes through becomes a digital number. And then those numbers can be used to compare to lists of stolen vehicles, or what we call hot lists, which is if we have a known vehicle that's been involved in crime, we can enter that. And right now, it's a little delayed because it's kind of jumping through a bunch of hoops before it gets to the officers in the car. It kind of has to go through a couple stops and then over the radio, and so it's a little slower than we would like. And what we're hoping to get to, and we're working with vendors and working with other agencies, is to have it automated pretty much, so that if a stolen car enters Chatham Township and passes through a license plate reader, it would send an instant alert to every car that's on the road working, saying a stolen car just entered Chatham Township at such and such a road. So now the officers can flood that area, make a visible presence, and at the very least deter that criminal from stopping here and having them continue on their way.
And what's the timeline on